You searched how to buy shares of Winchester Bancorp Inc. Winchester Bancorp is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WSBK, serving local customers with commercial and consumer banking services. This video is for educational purposes only and does not offer financial advice. To buy WSBK, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker WSBK to find Winchester Bancorp. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart to review recent activity. Confirm the NASDAQ WSBK ticker and company details to ensure this is the right security. To invest, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order type and fees, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending order. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is executed, your WSBK position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.